everybody, Rose from Bridgewater Public Library. Thanks for joining me. Today I am going to do what's called a cloud pour. So what makes the clouds is satin enamel. So you add satin enamel to your white paint or whatever color satin enamel you can pick up, and it forms, has a reaction to the acrylic paint and makes like puffy clouds. So we're going to give that a try. Satin enamel right now is a little difficult to get your hands on, but if you can find it, grab it. Deco Art makes a satin enamel. And I have a new little toy. It's a measuring cup, but it's got a like funnel spout, so we're gonna try to do that, and I'm gonna do it on a round canvas and hope that makes spinning out or stretching out the rings a little easier. So that is the plan for today. So let's get started. All right, so here we are. Here's our round 16-inch round canvas and the spouted measuring cup. So I'm going to pour the paint in this way and then pour it out that way. So cloud pour. Hope this works. Let's see. So there's the only thing mixed in this is water and yeah. All right, and the white has the satin enamel in it. This is the magic. Okay. It doesn't look like a lot of paint, but that's part of it's because this is such a big container. I hope it's enough. And then this white again. Needed some green because it's that time of year. Green. I think St. Patrick's Day is probably one of my favorites. It's just about fun, St. Patrick's Day. You don't have to buy gifts. You just eat, drink, and be merry. And I'm not going to put any more of the white in, and then this is just to help the paint flow. It's not really, shouldn't do much, should just flow it on the edges. Okay. I hope I know what I'm talking about. All right, here we go. So I'm going to start pouring it straight, and then once I start to see the white come out, I'll go circular. So here comes the white. bubbles. Look, where's the green people? Oh. All right, we'll start moving it and see what happens. So I'm gonna put some of this around the edges, just so I don't completely lose everything. Trying to get more, a little bit more towards the middle. Mm-hmm. All right, so that, and so what I'm gonna do is, here it is, just trying to see if I can, yeah, it's moving. So there it is, and now we're gonna wait for a chemical reaction. And what I'm going to try to do, which I've never done before, is put it on a time lapse so that you can see how it's going to change. I hope it changes. I mean, I like it like this, but it's supposed to change up a bunch. All right, so we're going to time lapse it if I can get this to work. You know what, I'm just going to do it by hand. All right, so we'll see what happens. I'll do a time lapse it for about 10 or 15 minutes and we'll check back. Okay. All right, here is the finished painting, all dried. I did not include the time lapse because nothing really changed in the time lapse. I do really like the painting, and I am definitely going to do more round canvases. And these are the clouds. That's considered a cloud. So here's a little close-up. And there it is. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for joining me. If you watched and like it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you next time. Peace out.